Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a Noriko wig. This one is called Morgan, and this is by viewer request in the color Nutmeg-R. Now, I love this color. It's one of my favorites. It's very similar to the Salted Caramel from John Renault, which is also known as FS31/26S6. It's very similar to that, except the highlights aren't quite as pronounced as they are in that one. Another one this is very similar to is the Cream Coffee by Envy, but again, the highlights are just a little bit smaller on the Nutmeg-R here. They're almost blended in. So let me talk a little bit more about that. The base shade here is a really light sort of amber brown color. So you can kind of see that it's very warm, kind of coppery. It's a very pretty color, but it's quite light. So it's like a light amber caramely brown. And then on top of that, you get these really pretty sort of gold blonde highlights. So very pretty color. This has what I would consider kind of like a number 8 root, like a medium brown root. And it also has medium brown at the nape on the shorter styles. So let's talk about Morgan. Morgan is one that people have been asking me to review for about a year now. And so I figured, you know what? Okay, sure, let's do it. Because I wasn't, holding off on it or anything. It was just, sometimes it takes me a really long time to get around to viewer requests because I film a lot of these all in long shoots, that takes several days, and then I spend like the rest of, the next 6 months editing them and then uploading them. So it can take a while to get to requests. But I'm glad that I finally got to this one because it is really cute on. Now it is definitely a Noriko wig. You can tell by the shape. And I think a lot of you know what I'm talking about. All Noriko wigs have kind of this rounded shape to them because they got a lot of permatease in the cap. And this wig is no exception. I will say though that the hair fiber feels great. It is slightly rounded. It's like a really, really, really super short stacked bob. And, it's just got a very lovely hair texture. So even though it is kind of voluminous, it does have some body to it, it's not overwhelming, it's just round. This is a 2.7 ounce wig, so it's kind of lightweight on, which is great. The front is 3.8 inches. The crown down is 5.8 inches, and the nape is 2 inches. Let me show you what Morgan looks like all the way around. I think this one's really cute. Yeah, let me show you what the cap looks like. This has a standard cap, and it does have a little tiny band of felt right at the front hairline. It's open on the sides, open in the back, has an extended nape, and it adjusts a bit like a bra strap. This one is very true to average, and it's kind of tight on me. We also have closed ear tabs here. Now when I say it's true to average, that means it's going to fit most people. It's just I have an average large head, so it's a little tight on me. But you still get good coverage with Morgan. So even though she doesn't fit me the best, still get really good coverage there on the sides. And at the nape. So I think that's very nice. Yeah, this wig is a keeper. It's adorable. Let me show you what that bang looks like if you leave it down. So you can do a few things with Morgan here. So I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com, bringing you a review of Morgan by Noriko in the color Nutmeg-R. So hopefully you like what we do here, and if you do, check out our wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. And until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.